For today's nail art, we are going to do a tropical design. I'm starting off with my nails polished Unicorns Are Real from Sinful colors, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. For my background, I'm going to stamp some leaves from Lina Stamping Plate Summer 4, and I'm going to go over that image first with white, and then the color Angel from Mundo de Unez. Next, we'll add some flowers using Lina Stamping Plate Summer 2, and I'm going to go over that image first with white, and then You Are Beauty from Born Pretty. Remove the liquid latex and finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.